Welcome to Revolotto. In this video, we will teach you how to withdraw your RVL coins, which you have purchased in the presale. Please first of all open your wallet from which you have made the transaction for presale. Do not forget to connect it on Binance Smart Chain. Right now the RVL balance is not showing in the wallet. Now let's start the tutorial to get the balance. Now tap on the browser tab and visit the website revolotto.org. Right now we're using MetaMask, but the same method works for Trust Wallet. All you need to do is to tap on the dApp section in the Trust Wallet instead of browser. Now tap on the Withdraw button. Once you tap on the Withdraw button, it will redirect you to the presale page, where you can claim your purchased Revolotto. You can also see your contributed amount and reserved Revolotto coins on this page. Now tap on the Claim button to withdraw your purchased Revolotto coins to your wallet. Now tap on the View Data button and tap on the Back button. Once the transaction will be completed, Revolotto coins will be transferred to your wallet. As you can see that the transaction has been successfully completed. Now if you see on the presale page, it will not show the balance of the Revolotto coins because we have already claimed the coins. As you can see that the Revolotto coins are transferred to my wallet. So this is the simple method to claim Revolotto coins. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay connected, stay safe.